Hey, this is Garrett over at Conquest Classic Cars here in Greeley, Colorado. Just doing a quick walk around and start up here on an absolutely beautiful 1962 Pontiac Catalina. This just isn't any standard Pontiac Catalina. Of course, it is a convertible and it's also a numbers matching 389 tri-power 4-speed car. Really rare combination. This car is from Denver. It was bought and sold brand new in Denver. I'll show you. I do still have the original factory invoice on this car showing all the original options. Just a rare beast in really nice shape. You can see how nice the paint still looks on this car. Nice mirror reflection throughout on the finish. Looking down both sides of this car, super straight, no waviness in the body lines. No evidence that this car was ever wrecked or repaired. Just a little bit of aging yellowing on this tonneau cover for the top. The top itself is in beautiful condition. Does have kind of these cool 15-inch weld racing wheels. I do have the stock original hubcaps in the trunk, and if you wanted this car to have a little bit more of a stock look, it would be pretty easy to find a set of correct 14-inch hubcaps for this, or 14-inch steel wheels for this car. A couple little dings in the bumper here. That's not punched all the way through, but it is a sizable divot. With the exception of those couple little spots, the bright working chrome is beautiful on this car. All the glass is in excellent condition. Come around to the interior. Doors open and shut very nicely. No efforts needed, which is always good on one of these convertibles to make sure the body's not sagging at all. This one's not at all. Original factory VIN number. Don't quite know why they did that. They're kind of hard to read, but that's still there. Interior, of course, has been reupholstered at some point. You can see the jams are all nicely done. There is no rust on this car. Nice cloth seats, which actually are preferable over the original vinyl. Just when you have the top down at a car show, it's a lot easier to get into this car after it's been sitting in the sun for a while versus the original vinyl. Original speaker there in the rear seat. Original steering wheel's in pretty nice shape. It's starting to show its age and little micro cracks here, one split in the wheel here, but I always loved these translucent steering wheels. And all things considered, for being original, this one's in still really nice condition. 73,000 miles, we believe that to be the original mileage on this car. All the original dashboard chrome is in beautiful shape. Let's go and fire this car up real quick. Love how nice and easy this car starts. This is one of the cars that I can always hop into and know it's going to fire right up. Fires right up. 4-speed shifter there. Parking brake works as it should, as well as the indicator there on the dash. Nice solid rumble out of the exhaust. This car does not get overly droney on the highway. It has a nice low rumble to it. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. So under the hood here we have the original numbers matching 389 tri-power motor. As you can see, this engine bay really has not been monkeyed with. It is pretty much all original underneath the hood here. It does have power brakes and power steering. We'll send numbers in on the in the photo gallery, but we did confirm that the VIN number on the engine does match the VIN number on the car, as well as the window sticker we have in the trunk. See, they did a nice job repainting this car. All the jams were done. This car was taken, looks like, pretty much completely apart to do the repaint. Still shows very, very nicely. Hood shuts nicely. This is just a very tight, solid filling car. There's really no squeaks or rattles when you're running it down the road. It's just a real pleasure to drive. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk here. Have the original set of hubcaps in here along with a tonneau cover. See, at some point somebody really nicely carpeted this trunk fully. Even carpeted the top of the trunk. The original light, which is still on the invoice, works as it should for the trunk. You can see just a nice little car show board the previous owner made up at some point. Here's the original window sticker, sold new at Metropolitan Pontiac. All the options laid out there, showing that this car did come with the factory 3.2 barrel, 4-speed, manual transmission, $402 option there. It also does have the safety track differential. So somebody really checked all the boxes on this car, ended up with something really special. They estimated less than one of 200 produced. I would be interested to hear any comments on that from some of the real Pontiac experts out there, but I do know this car is exceptionally rare. They did put a little car out temp tag from 61. This does not match the VIN number that's on the car. I think they put that in there just to show what an original temp tag would have looked like. But this is the original window sticker along with a few of the photos of the car. So very cool stuff. Really, really nice car. One that you just don't come across every day. And even though this is kind of a muscle car of sorts, it's really just a wonderful, nice, tame cruiser around town until you open up those other 2.2 barrels. So thanks so much for watching this quick little walk around and startup. Again, this is Garrett over at Conquest Classic Cars. If you have any questions on this beautiful Catalina or any of the other vehicles we have listed for sale, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our phone number is 970-573-5291. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.